So now let's tour the user interface for Einstein Discovery. We've logged in after signing up for our free account, and as I showed previously, you can log out here by clicking the person icon, or you can also change your password. And then to view alerts, they would appear here under the bell. One thing I want to note is this question mark for online help and training. There's a couple of links here for getting started using Einstein Discovery. I'm going to click that, and that opens up to a new tab. And this is some further information related to Einstein Discovery from Salesforce's own online help systems, very helpful. And then as well, if I click the question mark again, in addition to the Getting Started article that I just opened, there's also Learn More About Einstein Discovery, yet another help article from Salesforce's own online help system. So I'm going to open that up as well in a new tab. I'll link to these in the resources section of this lecture as well. And then once that opens, we'll pop back over to Einstein Discovery. And the final link here is Einstein Discovery Basics. This is a trailhead trail that I mentioned previously, and we'll be working through some of these trails throughout the course of this particular course, as far as it being helpful practice activities to get you hands-on experience with Einstein Discovery in importing data sets, creating stories, etc. So let's click on Einstein Discovery Basics and show you a glimpse of that. And so here on this module under Salesforce Trailhead, which is available at trailhead.salesforce.com, we've got the module pulled up now, Einstein Discovery Basics. Let's go briefly through the user interface of Einstein Discovery. First of all, you come to the data sets, and you've got your data sets tab and your stories tab. Now, we don't have any data sets or stories currently. Now for data sets, the main thing is you select what type of format your data set is in, and we've got Salesforce CSV files, which is comma separated values. There's other different types of data sets that are applicable to Einstein Discovery, such as Hadoop, MySQL, Netezza, Oracle, Postgres, SAP, and SQL Server. Now that you've become familiar with the user interface of Einstein Discovery, in the next lecture, we will go through the steps of signing up for a Salesforce Trailhead account. And so to get there, we're going to click the question mark and then click on the Trailhead trail for Einstein Discovery Basics, and I'll meet you on the other side.